Si Christian David isang 6'6 wing from Butler. Importanteng context dito na kagagaling niya lang sa isang ACL injury. Hindi biro yung ACL injury. If you've been watching basketball, alam mo kung gaanong katagal yung recovery process ng isang ganyang injury. Hindi lang physically but also psychologically. Blackwater, fortunately, I can say na yung coaching staff nila knows what they're doing. Okay, source, trust me bro. Mula pre-season hanggang ngayon, ingat sila kay David. He started from having minutes restriction ng pre-season to now, medyo umaangat na yung minutes ng konti. And kung titignan natin yung lineup nila sa clip na to, Ilagan, Suerte, Ortiz, Rosario at David is playing the 3 position, which is a good sign. Kahit hindi gaanong tinatakbuhan ng plays, it's nice to still see him play as a wing. Sa totoo lang kasi kapag wing ka, especially dito sa Pilipinas na guard heavy yung bansa natin, mas mahirap makakuha ng touches and ng plays na on ball ka if wing ka dito. You have to earn it first. Si Calvin Aftana rin naman ang umpisa, spot up lang muna. And then medyo unti-unti na siyang nagpapakita ng arsenal niya offensively, mas nabibigyan na rin ng opportunities on ball. Si Christian David right now is not yet a Calvin Aftana, pero may flashes of potentially being one. Sa unang 5 laro niya sa PBA, which is essentially kalahati, he played roughly 17 minutes a night, in which he averaged 5.4 points, 1.2 rebounds, 0.6 assists per game. Numbers wise, not impressive. But we also have to put into context na spot-up shooter siya, so not a lot of touches. Kahit na he only shot 23.5% sa 3 and 39% from the field sa unang 5 games niya, makikita mo na komportable siya sa jump shots niya and is not afraid to take those shots. Kasi yun naman talaga yung reputation niya, isang spot-up shooter. Sa play na to, nakapark siya sa corner. Downhill drive by Ortiz. Nag-help si Mocon, strong side help, which is a major no-no. Usually sa defense, dinidiscourage na mag-help sa strong side. So, ang nangyari, wide open si David sa 3 points. And tignan nyo kung gaano kasmooth yung jump shot niya. Suwabing-suwabe. May takbong mayaman pa pagkatapos. Dito, Ortiz post up. Nakaload up ang Phoenix defensively. They have Williams ready to help sa ilalim kapag dumrive si Ortiz. So, that means overloaded yung strong side. Nakazone yung weak side or junk defense ang tawag minsan. Pero parang lack of communication to since mukhang hindi nasabihan si Tio na mag-isa lang siya dun sa weak side. So he forgot to split the gap, wide open the bid 3, and again, sobrang natural tignan. Sa play naman na to after ng reversal, nakasplit ng gap si Holt, which is correct. Pero ito yata yung pinakamatagal na X-out defensive rotation na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko. By 3 seconds si Camson para mag-close out pero hindi pa rin siya nakapag-close out. Another open 3 for David. And then dito naman walang may nag-decide na mag-rotate kay David. Sablay nga lang pero ito yung mga tipo ng shots na nakukuha ni Christian David sa mga games. Right now, yan yung majority ng opensa niya. Catch and shoot 3-pointers. Now ngayon, kapag maayos yung mga rotations and mga closeouts, he doesn't hold the ball too long, which is good. Dito, pump fake, kumagat si Javi, one dribble to the left, pull up, sablay, pero this is a good makeable shot eh. And it's giving Calvin Aftana vibes, diba? Dito naman, 45 cut from Suerte para ma-clear out yung side ng court for a 2-man game between David and Rosario. Nice shimmy jab step from David para ma-free si Tuffin. Open lane, 2 dribbles, put back, 2 points. Self-created play to. Sa play naman na to against the slower Williams triple threat position, gumamit ng jab step and pump fakes ala Carmelo Anthony para ma-freeze yung defender niya. Sabay drive baseline, finish. Again, self-created 2 points. Okay now, tignan naman natin yung na-mention ko kanina na medyo may limitation siya on ball. As 6'6", of course, is going to be a little bit slower kumpara sa mga babantay sa kanya sa wing. As we can see here against Javi, ball screen, pero not enough of a burst from David para magkaroon siya ng advantage sa drive. So, pinasa na lang niya instead of stopping the ball. Dito again, against the 6'4" Holt, hirap siya maiwan. Doon maganda yung desisyon niya rito na gamitin yung size niya. Pero at this point kasi nakakailang dribble na siya and wala nang flow yung opensa. So kahit na nakakuha siya ng paint touch dito, it's not necessarily the ideal way to attack the basket. Pero to be fair, kahit na may limitations pa ngayon sa mobility kasi hindi pa nga fully 100% talaga, yung decision making and instincts niya palaging tama eh. And that to me is a good sign na long term, kung ma-figure out niya paano siya magkakaroon ng advantages, mapipili niya yung spots niya, mag-e-evolve pa yung laro niya na magkaroon na siya ng mga 1 dribble pull-up, 2 dribble drives effectively, magiging successful siya as a player. Defensively, he's actually decent. Right now, he's averaging 0.6 steals and 0.6 blocks per game. Nasa average minutes niya per game are quite impressive. Pero again, he's a fairly athletic 6'6 guy. He's going to be switchable at most times, and he's going to be a decent weak side defender para sa mga help at para sa mga closeouts. Doon napansin ko na quick siya on his feet pero medyo happy feet siya. Na minsan allows him to stay in front, pero minsan right kapag mga mabilis ang quick twitch plays, naiiwan siya ng onte enough to put him in a disadvantaged position defensively. So ayun, I think Christian David is a good player. I think we just have to temper our expectations. Siya yung player na 50% of the time sobrang mukhang legit, and then the other 50% mukhang sobrang raw. Which is to be expected naman for a rookie na nanggaling sa isang major injury. At the end of the day, he's a 6'6" shooter. If ma-figure out niya paano maging effective, at least offensively man lang, is at least an 11 point per game scorer very soon.